Welcome back to Control and Coordination Part 2. So in this video we shall study the endocrine system. In the first video we have already studied that control and coordination in humans is supervised by two mechanisms, nervous system and the endocrine system. We have already studied the nervous system and now let us study the endocrine system. So the endocrine system consists of glands and hormones. Chemical control and coordination is done by this system. Hormones. So hormones are the chemicals secreted directly into the bloodstream by various glands. The blood carries them to the organs and tissues of the body to perform their functions. Now, before learning more about the endocrine system, first let us see the difference between the nervous system and the endocrine system. So the nervous system, in the nervous system, the messages are transmitted in the form of electrical impulses. But in the endocrine system, messages are transmitted in the form of chemicals known as hormones, secreted by the glands. Second, in the nervous system, messages are transmitted through the nerves, while in the endocrine system, messages are transmitted through the bloodstream, that is, hormones are released in the bloodstream. Third, nerve impulses are rapid but of very short duration. But in the endocrine system, hormonal action is much slower but lasts longer. So in the nervous system, the impulse is very short but very quick, while in the endocrine system, the impulse is very slow but very long. So now let us study about the various glands involved in the endocrine system in humans. So the first gland is thyroid gland, and the hormone released by it is thyroxine. The function of this hormone is to regulate the carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the body so as to provide the best balance for growth. Now, iodine is necessary for the synthesis of thyroxine by the thyroid gland. So therefore, deficiency of iodine in diet causes goiter and its symptom is swollen neck. The thyroid gland is attached to our windpipe. Second, pancreas. So this gland is located just below our stomach and the hormone released by it is insulin. The function of this hormone is to regulate the blood sugar level. Now if there is a deficiency of release of insulin, then this causes the blood sugar level to rise and causing many harmful effects in our body, such as a disease known as diabetes. Third, adrenal glands. So these glands are located on top of our kidneys, and the hormone secreted by these glands is adrenaline. The function of this hormone is to prepare the body to face an emergency situation, such as when a person is very frightened or excited. So now let us see how it does this. So this hormone, it speeds up our heartbeat and breathing rate, and it allows more glucose to go into our blood to give us energy to either fight from that stressful situation or run away from that stressful situation. Therefore, adrenal glands are also known as glands of emergency. Fourth, testes. So these glands are located in the scrotum and they are present only in the males. And the hormone secreted by these glands is known as testosterone. It helps in the development of male sex hormones or male sex organs, and it also controls the changes at puberty, such as growth of facial hair, body hair, deeper voice, etc. Fifth, ovaries. So these are present only in the females and they are located in the abdominal cavity. The hormone secreted by the ovaries is known as estrogen, and its function is to regulate the menstrual cycle in females, control the changes at puberty and help in the development of female sex organs. Sixth, pituitary gland. So the hormone secreted by the pituitary gland is known as growth hormone, and the pituitary gland is located just below the brain. The function of this hormone is to regulate the growth and development of the body. That is, it stimulates the growth in all the organs of the body. The pituitary gland also secretes a large number of other hormones which control the secretion of the hormones by other glands. So therefore the pituitary gland is also known as the master gland, as it controls all the other glands. Deficiency of this growth hormone results in dwarfism, and over-secretion of this growth hormone results in gigantism. Seventh, hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is responsible for secreting the releasing hormones as well as the inhibitory hormones. So the releasing hormones they help in the secretion of the other hormones, and the inhibitory hormones, they stop the secretion of these other hormones. And the function of these hormones is to regulate the secretion of hormones from the pituitary gland. So the hypothalamus is the controller of the pituitary gland. Therefore, it is also known as the master of the master gland or the grand master gland. And it is located in the brain. So now, let us see at the mechanism of hormone regulation in our body. So excess or deficiency of hormones has a very harmful effect on our body. Thus, it is necessary that hormones are secreted in precise quantities. The timing and amount of hormone released is regulated by feedback mechanisms in our body. Now, let us understand these feedback mechanisms with the help of an example. So, for example, if the sugar levels in our blood rise, then these are detected by the cells or glands present in the pancreas, which respond by producing more insulin. As the sugar level becomes normal, the insulin secretion gets reduced. So this is all for today. In the next video, we shall discuss about the control and coordination in plants. Stay tuned till then.